6 alleged victims of Jeffrey Epstein had a chance to speak in court today, angry the late financier's suicide had robbed them of justice. Their dramatic statements come as the judge moves to dismiss Epstein's sex trafficking case because of his death. Women who claim Jeffrey Epstein sexually abused them spoke outside a Manhattan courthouse after a judge gave them the unusual opportunity to be heard in court.
Today is a day of power and strength.
I wanted to thank the judge for letting us speak, having some closure. It's still going to be a rough road, but I also wanted to thank all the survivors that had reached out to me as well.
One accuser, Courtney Wild, who said the financier sexually abused her when she was 14, called him a coward and said in court she feels very angry and sad that he killed himself before going to trial on sex trafficking charges. A coroner ruled Epstein's death in a jail cell earlier this month a suicide by hanging. But at Tuesday's hearing, one of Epstein's lawyers challenged that, saying an expert hired by the family said injuries to his neck were more consistent with homicide than suicide. The judge said he included Epstein's accusers in Tuesday's hearing to dismiss the charges because of their relevant experiences.
It was both empowering and infuriating to know that the person who I needed to hear those words is not here to hear them.
The wealthy financier had pleaded not guilty to the charges. He signed a will just 2 days before his death, putting more than $500 million in assets into a trust fund. The will is expected to make it more difficult for his accusers to collect damages. The Justice Department is looking into the circumstances surrounding Epstein's suicide while in official custody. Attorney General William Barr has also vowed to continue the sex trafficking investigation against anyone who may have helped him.